Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the opacity of the video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Just open a video or create a new project, and if you want to set the opacity of the video, go to the right side of the screen and you can find the right bar. Go to the last icon, the pencil, click that, and here you can find the lower bar. Click to the third option, the opacity, and here you can find the percentage line and you can set the opacity of your video. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the home screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.